Hey guys, how are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So today I brought a new product. So this is called Adiyogi metal wall art. So I am very much sure you are aware of this product. This design is Adiyogi, which you have seen in Isha Yoga Center and all. So this is a very good product, guys. You can see this is made of 100% steel and it's a powder coated, guys. It's not spray painted. This is a very different technology and it's a bit costly technology, but the benefit of this particular powder coating which we do is that it's like a scratch proof. If you can see, if we will scratch this also, it will not go. It is so durable. And this particular technology materials, you can hang it inside or outside your wall as well, because it's completely rust free, and I think above 10 years, guys, it will last. So generally spray painted items and all, it will fade away in 2 to 3 years, but this particular powder coated piece which we do in all of our products in Decofly, so these are very durable, guys. So you can see, guys, this is design is a laser cut material, export quality items. So satisfaction is 100% guarantee. I will show you how to hang this. As you can see, there are 3 holes given. First hole, second hole, and third hole is over here, guys. And you can just simply fix. Screws will be provided inside your package, so no need to buy additional screws or additional mounting stuff from the hardware shops and all. So everything will be given inside the box. So you can just fix it. Either you can fix a nail and you can hang it like this. You can hang it like this, or you can easily fix it with the 3 screws. So it will look something like this, guys. Once it's fixed, you can see how beautiful it's looking. So I hope you like this product, guys, and definitely you can see this is a golden metallic finish. So this is also a very good gifting option, guys. If you want to gift in some marriage anniversaries or wedding function or birthday gift, and also this is a new and trendy product, so everybody will appreciate this if you gift this particular thing to them. And also, guys, I would like to tell you some benefits of this particular wall art hanging when you will hang it your home. So I will just tell you from the Google itself, nothing from my own words. So having an Adiyogi statue in your home is believed to bring peace, positivity and spiritual growth, encouraging contemplation and meditation, and serving as a reminder of importance of spiritual growth. So I hope you understood, guys, and now you would have got the benefit of hanging Adiyogi statue at your home. This will bring immense peace and prosperity to your home. So I hope you like this product, and you can definitely try this particular wall art. And these are all export quality materials, so satisfaction is 100% guaranteed.